Your screenshots aren't low quality. You're just capturing them the wrong way. If your screenshots always look blurry, pixelated, or weirdly soft, especially when you zoom in, you might think your phone camera is bad, your screen is damaged, or your device just isn't powerful enough. But here's the truth. Your phone is not the problem. In fact, modern smartphones capture screenshots in extremely high resolution. The real issue is something most people never think about. It's the source quality. Most people take screenshots from zoomed-in content, social media previews, compressed images, or even streaming videos. And when you screenshot something that's already low resolution, you're basically saving a copy of a copy. And every time something gets copied, resized, or compressed, it loses detail. That's why your screenshots look bad. The problem isn't your device. It's what you're capturing. So let's fix this properly. Here are the most important things you should start doing right now. First, always zoom out before you screenshot. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make. When you zoom in inside apps like social media, browsers, or photo previews, you're not increasing quality. You're just enlarging pixels that already exist. Think of it like stretching a small sticker to cover a large wall. The more you stretch it, the more blurry it becomes. So before taking a screenshot, always zoom out to the original fit size, where the image is displayed at its natural resolution. Then take your screenshot. If you need to focus on a specific area later, you can simply crop it after. Cropping keeps the original clarity, while zooming before capturing destroys it. Second, always open the original image. Never screenshot from previews. This includes things like Google image thumbnails, social media feeds, messaging app previews, or Pinterest grids. Those versions are heavily compressed to load faster. They are not the real files. Instead, tap the image first. Wait until it fully opens in its original resolution. Only then should you take the screenshot. This alone can make a massive difference in clarity. Third, avoid screenshots from videos whenever possible. Streaming platforms compress video heavily to save bandwidth. What you see on screen is already reduced in quality compared to the original source. So when you screenshot from videos, you're capturing a compressed frame, not a high-resolution image. That's why screenshots from videos often look soft, grainy, or washed out. If you need a clear image from a video, try searching for official still images, promotional photos, or high-resolution screenshots shared online. Those will always look much sharper. Fourth, check your display settings. Some phones reduce screen resolution automatically to save battery. Others allow display zoom or scaling that changes how content is rendered. And here's something most people don't know. Your screenshots usually follow the current display resolution setting. So if your phone is set to a lower resolution mode, your screenshots will also be lower resolution. If your device supports it, go into your display settings and select the highest available resolution, like Full HD Plus or higher. This ensures your screenshots capture maximum detail. Fifth, use the built-in screenshot function, not workarounds. Some people pause a screen recording and then take a screenshot of the paused frame. This reduces clarity because the recording itself is compressed. Always use the dedicated screenshot buttons on your device. They capture directly from the screen buffer, which preserves maximum quality. So next time your screenshot looks bad, don't blame your phone. Instead, ask yourself one simple question. Am I capturing the original source or just a compressed preview? Because once you fix the source, your screenshots will instantly look sharper, clearer, and more professional. And if you want more simple tech tips that actually work, without complicated settings, apps, or jargon, stay tuned right here. Because sometimes the biggest tech problems have the simplest fixes.